In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new site and find the SEO settings in your website builder. We'll go from a blank dashboard to the place where you can fine-tune how your site appears in search engines, all with a simple, clear path. First, look for the option labeled Create New Site. It's typically on your main dashboard or near the top of the page. Click it to spin up a fresh workspace. As soon as you do, the builder will begin preparing your project. Now pause and let it load. You'll likely see a spinner or a progress bar as the background services get everything ready. This can take a moment, so avoid refreshing the page. Keeping a stable internet connection and minimizing extra browser tabs can help the setup move along smoothly. When the next screen appears, choose Setup without chat. Some platforms offer a chat-based assistant to guide you. For a faster, distraction-free route, we're opting out and proceeding manually. You may be prompted with onboarding suggestions. Click Skip this step. If you're asked again, simply click Skip this step one more time. These prompts are optional, and skipping them keeps us focused on reaching the settings we need. After skipping, it's time to wait again. The system is creating default pages, linking services, and readying the editor. It can take longer than expected, so give it time. Watch for any progress indicators and let them complete before you click anything else. Patience here prevents errors and ensures all tools load correctly. Once the editor is ready, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll see a vertical navigation menu. Click Site and Mobile App to open the area that controls your site's core features. From there, select Website and SEO, and within that section, choose SEO. You've now reached the hub for search optimization. This is where you'll set page titles and meta descriptions, manage indexing preferences, connect verification codes, and review sitemap options. As you work here later, keep titles concise and descriptive, write unique descriptions for each page, and preview how your snippets look on mobile. Small, clear changes in this section make a big difference in how your site is discovered. And that's it. We created a new site, bypassed optional prompts, waited for the setup to finish, and navigated directly to the SEO settings. Follow these steps whenever you start a new project to save time and get straight to the essentials.